안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. Do you like a kimchi fried rice? Recently, I had some steak in my refrigerator. So I decided to make kimchi fried rice. And it was incredibly delicious. That's why today I'm going to introduce a delicious and gourmet kimchi steak fried rice. So shall we make it together? Today I will be using ribeye steak for this recipe. To get quickly, slice it thinly. If you don't have a ribeye, you can use another cut of beef. Add about 1 tablespoon of avocado oil to the sliced beef. If you don't have avocado oil, you can use olive oil or any other cooking oil. Sprinkle a bit of salt. Sprinkle a bit of pepper. Mix it well to season the meat. I will cook it in a bit. Chop the kimchi into small pieces. When making kimchi fried rice, it's best to use fermented kimchi. Place the pre-seasoned beef in a preheated pan. Cook it over high heat. Once it's partially cooked, flip it over. Since I've thinly sliced the beef, it doesn't need to cook for too long. Transfer the cooked beef to a plate. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add the chopped kimchi. Stir fry it until it's well cooked. Even if you are not a fan of kimchi, cooking it this way will make it much more delicious. Add a half teaspoon of sugar. This will help reduce the kimchi sourness. This is chicken powder. Add a half teaspoon of it. It enhances the flavor of kimchi fried rice. If you don't have it, you can use a bit of oyster sauce or soy sauce. Add 2 bowls of rice. Stir fry the rice with the kimchi until they are well combined. When the rice and kimchi are nicely mixed, turn off the heat. Coat the pan with a bit of oil. Fry 2 eggs. Sprinkle some of the chopped green onions on top. Serve the fried eggs alongside the kimchi fried rice. Transfer the kimchi fried rice to a serving plate. Place the cooked steak on top. Add a fried egg on the side. Finally, sprinkle a bit of sesame seeds. A very savory kimchi steak fried rice is done. How was today's recipe? If you get a chance, hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.